Hi, Stefano Molea here, San Diego criminal defense lawyer and partner at the law office of David P. Shapiro, where we help good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In other videos, I've talked about the importance of being proactive and having legal representation when being suspected or investigated for a crime. And some may think, I've done nothing wrong. There is no reason to be worried. Well, I've also done a video on that question, but let me tell you about another reason why having a lawyer is important even at the earliest stage. So here's a conversation with a detective who suspected my client of committing a crime that I just recently had. I explained to the detective that I was going through some text and video evidence which I believe showed that my client was innocent and that the complaining witness was making a false report, and also explained the motivation for said false report. The detective said, in essence, that's not my understanding of what happened. At this point, you can just hold on to the evidence and submit it at trial. Submit it at trial. So here is the balance I needed to strike with my response. How could I relay, are you kidding me right now? Your job is to neutrally investigate allegations of crimes and consider all evidence in your investigation, not just believe the complaining witness and ignore potentially exonerating evidence without making it confrontational. Again, I had a job to do, right? So here's what I came up with on the spot. I said, look, I know you have a job to do, and that job includes helping actual victims of crimes. But I think, though, that having this evidence will provide context in which you will see that the complaining witness here is not telling the truth, or at the very least provide information that's going to give you greater context to the situation so you can have a nice, complete, and thorough report. So look, there is a lot more I could have said and frankly wanted to say, but this detective's attitude was such that I just wanted to keep the door open for him considering evidence before making a move on the case. Are all my calls like this with detectives? No, fortunately not. But don't take a risk by not taking advantage of every opportunity to protect your rights, your interests, and your freedom. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.